Hello students, welcome to English class. In this video, we will discuss few questions from Modal Auxiliaries. Question 1. Even highways have lines which provide safety, and if we go over one side, we will go into the ditch, and if we cross over the line in the middle, we get killed. Option A, must. Option B, need not. Option C, could. And option D, should. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is option C, could. In this sentence, could shows possibility. If we cross over the line in the middle, we could get killed. Here, could shows possibility. Question 2. Genius does what it must and talent does what it dash. Option A, can. Option B, may. Option C, could. And option D, should. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is can. In this sentence, can shows ability. Genius does what it must and talent does what it can. Question 3. You dash use mobile phones inside the aircraft. Option A, can. Option B, had to. Option C, could. And option D, must not. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is must not. Must is used when rules need to be strictly followed. You must not use mobile phones inside the aircraft. It's a rule. So, we have to use must. Question 4. However honest he dash, I do not trust him. Option A is, option B may be, option C could be, and option D might be. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is might be. Might is the modal auxiliary used to show probability. However honest he might be, I do not trust him. It shows probability. There is a possibility that he is honest, but I do not trust him. Question 5. I dash go on with the work, cause what may. Option A, will. Option B, may. Option C, shall. And option D, can. What is the correct answer? Yes, the answer is will. I will go on with the work, cause what may. Here, will shows determination. Whatever happen, I will go on with the work. It is the determination. Question 6. You dash all that cheese. It isn't good for you. Option A, need not. Option B, cannot eat. Option C, should not be eating. Option D, ought not be eating. What is the correct answer? Yes, should not be eating. You should not be eating all that cheese. It isn't good for you. We know that this sentence, it is an advice, and should is used to express an advice, And should is used to say that something is the proper or best thing to do. Question 7. If you are nervous, dash I speak to her. Option A, would. Option B, could. Option C, shall. And option D, can. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is shall. If you are nervous, shall I speak to her? Here shall shows readiness and desire of a person. I'm ready. Shall I speak to her? Question 8. He dash give that money he found in the street to charity. Option A, has to. Option B, need not. Option C, ought to. And option D, could. What is the correct answer, children? Yes, here ought to is the correct answer. He ought to give that money he found in the street to charity. Ought to is a modal auxiliary which is used to express moral obligation. Question 9. As per the advisory issued by the government, proper distancing, regular service of the buses, and their proper disinfection dash be ensured. Option A, have to. Option B, need to. Option C, ought. And option D, must. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is must. The proper disinfection must be ensured. Must is used when rules need to be strictly followed. The sentence speaks about the rule. So, must is the modal auxiliary. Question 10. In order to maintain a balanced lifestyle, we dash prioritize self-care practices such as regular exercise and healthy eating habits to promote overall well-being. Option A, can. Option B, should. Option C, may. And option D, must. What is the correct answer? Yes, should. Should is used for advice. So we should prioritize self-care practices. It's kind of advice. Question 11. Jane dash keep her promise as she has to repay all her loan. Option A, can. Option B, should. Option C, may. And option D, will. Can you guess the answer? What is the answer, children? Yes, should is the right answer. Jane should keep her promise as she has to repay all her loan. We know that should shows obligation. It's her obligation to keep her promise. She is obliged to keep her promise. So, should is the correct answer. Question 12. James is not keeping well nowadays. He dares see the doctor immediately. Option A, can. Option B, ought to. Option C, must. And option D, will. What is the correct answer? Yes, must is the correct answer. James is not keeping well nowadays. He must see the doctor immediately. Must shows necessity. It is necessary for James to see the doctor. Must shows necessity. Question 13. Dash you help me to solve this problem. Option A could, option B ought to, option C may, and option D will. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is could. Could you help me to solve this problem? Could shows request. Could is used to express polite requests. Could you help me to solve this problem? I hope you enjoyed the video, children. Please subscribe to English class. Thank you.